the brain grows, we have to work for children's failure and success, sadness and happiness. We have to work on their emotional logic, critical thinking.
And we believe totally on learning-based education. As the research says, when a child involves in the activity, he learns more rather than learning as one teacher giving the speech and taking the speech. That doesn't work at all.
ऑर्चिड किड्स प्री स्कूल जो HBR में लोकेट है, HBR में यानी कि अरबी कॉलेज के बिल्कुल बैक साइड में, वहाँ पर मस्जिद अज़ीज़ उसके बिल्कुल बगल में है। ये जो स्कूल है छोटे बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही अच्छी तरबियत वहाँ पर दी जा रही है। तो चलिए देखते हैं वहाँ के कुछ ज़िम्मेदार हैं और वहाँ के प्रिंसिपल हैं, उनसे सुनते हैं बच्चों को एजुकेशन कितना ज़रूरी है और क्या क्या एजुकेशन में ये लोग बच्चों को प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। क्योंकि बच्चों का जो मुस्तकबिल है वो शुरुआती होता है। शुरुआत में ये बच्चों को किस तरीके से ट्रेनिंग करते हैं और क्या क्या ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, और आने वाले जो एडमिशन्स हैं उसमें क्या लोगों के लिए, मतलब उनके बच्चों के लिए वहाँ पर जगह रहेगी, इसके बारे में भी जानेंगे। और वहाँ पर स्क्रीन पर नंबर दिया जाएगा। जो भी आपको स्कूल के बारे में जानना है आप इस नंबर पर कांटेक्ट कीजिए और कांटेक्ट कर बात कीजिए कि आपके बच्चों को वहाँ पर किस तरीके से जमाना है। तो चलिए देखते हैं उनका क्या कहना है।
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. R. Vijay Saraswati and I work as a Pro Vice Chancellor for St. Mother Teresa University. This month is Women's Month. So being Editor-in-Chief of Women of Substance magazine, I'm wishing you all a great Ramadan Kareem. And this is a great news that Orchid Kids is being published in this great global magazine. So on page 9, we have Orchid Kids listed. So this is a very good, initiative, and this is a very good moment for Orchid Kids to be listed in an international magazine, because we work very closely with the teachers of Orchid Kids. Godwin Academy does faculty development program here. And we have abacus, graphical visualization, guided imagery, psycho-cybernetics, multiple intelligence and more. We introduce this in the curriculum, and our goal is to reach 100 students in a year, because this curriculum costs you a bomb outside, but we have kept it at a very minimal cost and we do a great work. So what I want to tell you is, this management by Fazil Sir and Faith Foundation is an endeavor where they want to give educational excellence to the entire vicinity through creative and innovative teaching methodologies. So this endeavor is big because Orchid Kids, 40 students, is being trained one-to-one. They have a very good teacher ratio and they give one-to-one attention, and they concentrate on reading, writing, speaking, listening and empathizing. So we start them young, we start them with so much of love that they progress to be a great individual in the future. So 0 to 6 years is a early childhood education, and it's very important that we train our children that time, because the brain grows up to 6 years, and from 6 years onwards it extends its neurons, because our brain is made of 100 billion neurons and it is all interconnected. And brain is the biggest organ, you all know, it's a supercomputer. And when the brain grows, we have to work for children's failure and success, sadness and happiness. We have to work on their emotional logic, critical thinking. So we use the methodology of articulation, visual, auditory, kinesthetic, multiple intelligence. We also use mnemonics. So these children are well equipped to be grown into a full individual with hand, head and heart coordination. So I'll be talking so much because I love early childhood and I am the founder director of Godwin Academy and also Hopeful International in Dubai. So what I believe is the excellence in education. How can we transform this world or put it into the society? You can do this only by giving the best for the generation to come, and that is education. So you play peekaboo with your children, you do snake and ladder, you do chess, you do carom, work on their motor skills. So when you do all this and collectively show them the socialization, it takes a village to raise a child. Singapore follows that. So we have to teach them integrity, we should teach them joy, we should teach them the worth of sharing and caring. So all this has been, managed in the curriculum, and the trust is doing very well. And these 40 students are doing great. So if you are looking to join your kids in Orchid Kids, please get in touch with us, and we will ensure that your kid gets the best of it. I like to call them child. That your children are our children. Your success is our progress. So we allow parents to give constructive criticism. We allow parents to love the work we have, and we indulge them. My son is a abacus entrepreneur. He is only 7 years old. He teaches parents here how to use abacus. We involve the parents because it is collaborative parenting. So in this book, I have authored a page called Collaborative Parenting. So this is for the parents. So you get access to reading good books. You get access to doing great work. If you are looking for a good school in this area, I am very sure it is Orchid Kids. And parents here do positive word of mouth. One parent brings other parent here because they know the value of the system. We are here to add value. If you want to value add your child, come to Orchid Kids and let's love what we are doing and doing what we are loving. Thank you and I love you.
बताइए आर्चिड स्कूल में जो है
Yeah.
यहाँ पर जो बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं उनका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है और नेक्स्ट जो भी यहाँ पर आएंगे उनके लिए क्या मैसेज रहेगा?
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. I'm Sayyada Afsar, working as a headmistress at Orchid School. And my experience, I have done 12 years of experience at Oasis International School. And apart from that, I have done an educational course from UK. And presently, I am doing a course. It goes depth into the child's development from Finland. And as you must be knowing that Finland is a known country for its education. The world-class education we find in Finland. So I am doing it just because to impart the right education to the kids. And as you all know, at Orchid Kids, children belong to the middle class and lower middle class. And our efforts to give a quality education on the lower, on affordable price. So many parents, I feel somewhat, when the child is intelligent and he is not getting what he has to get. As I worked in international school, I know very well the requirement of the child from 0 to 6 years. So I am trying my level best to impart those things, the international level education at Orchid Kids. And Alhamdulillah, it's going on well. And we believe totally on learning-based education. As the research says, when a child involves in the activity, he learns more rather than learning as one teacher giving the speech and taking the speech. That doesn't work at all. So we pay individual attention on each and every activity. Each topic belongs to it's related to the lesson. For example, if a child is learning about the sense of taste, so we provide everything like sour, sweet, bitter. We provide all the things and we do this class practically, and we make the child to taste it. And apart from this, again, I want to continue with the same topic. And one more, it is a very interesting activity. We brought the corn making machine. And in this activity, all the sense organs involved. So first, the child touches the corns and he feels that it is very hard. Then the same corns go into the machine, and we on the machine, and the sound comes pat, 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 and he is able to hear the sound. And next we take out the corns and we just ask the child to touch, and he says, ma'am, it's rough, rough, rough. So he got smooth also, and he got the sound also, and he got the rough feeling also. And next we make them to taste, and they taste the popcorns, and they say, ma'am, it is salty. So alhamdulillah, all the sense organs involved in this one activity. So we focus on the activity based learning. Alhamdulillah, it's going on, and we are looking forward for upcoming years also. The parents must take interest and come forward to join in our family.
Location.
It's located in HBR layout, 5th block it is, and right behind the Aziz Yusuf Masjid. And it is a part of Aziz Masjid Yusuf also.
Any contact number about this school?
Yeah, 7899-124-384. You can contact me directly and you can come forward, and it's a golden chance for your kid to get a quality education from Orchid Kids.